Experiment name is to design and construct diode clippers. Because clippers are of many types, for example, inductor clippers or inductor choppers, capacitor clippers or capacitor choppers. Second, when you write apparatus, mention their laboratory names or their code names. For example, which type of transformer you used. You used 2 port, 2 tab, step down transformer from 220 volt to 6 volt or 8 volt or 10 volt as you have availability. Second, diode, mention code name or code of diode, which is N41 or N30 or NS47. And similarly, resistances are used carbon resistors or color coded carbon resistors. And breadboard, you have not only used breadboard but a complementary circuit with breadboard, so its name is digital trainer board. Diagram, as I have mentioned, use that type of diagrams. These are output ports, say 2, this one is plus, and these are 1 input port and these are output terminals for output port. Ground is usually mentioned as 3 consecutively decreasing in size bars, and it is mentioned near diode. When you mention diagram or draw diagram, always mention input and output. Input is at input port here, and output, which is clipped wave, must be at output port. Mention the type of this clipper. This is parallel clipper. This diagram is perfect, except input ports are not mentioned here, so please mention input ports as mentioned output ports. Whenever you draw input and output, abscissa axis or x-axis or independent coordinate axis must be mentioned. So time axis is x-axis. You have to mention x-axis always. When you draw diode and you cut off the tip of diode, it becomes certain other type of diode, but we are using simple PN junction silicon diode formed by injection method. So this is not the right symbol for our diode. So keep in mind these small points which may considered as a big mistake. When you misplace the tip of diode from its N-type representation line, it becomes certain other type of tunnel diode which have different potentials at different terminals and a reference ground point. So it becomes another type of diode. So please keep in mind the exact notation for your discrete components. At the end, you must write precautions. Precautions are the part of experimental work. After precautions, you will start write related theory. The topics of related theory I have told you in those topics. Carbon resistors, capacitors are of most importance. You must include types of carbon resistors, types of all resistors briefly, color coding of carbon resistors, composition and course of action of carbon resistors, and